Finally got something that been looking for the fire rebuild camper. Sorry about the mess. Sorry about the lighting. It's not that great. But I did pick up as you see, a corner shower. Guy was parting out a new camper. It is a 29-foot Arctic Wolf fifth wheel. And ended up buying the shower from him. Here's the shower doors. Didn't want to break them. It's a corner shower, as you guys can tell. I did pick up the refrigerator out of it too. Haven't decided if I'm going to put it in yet. Got a few little dents in it. But it's a newer fridge than what I had in the camper. It's not a 12-volt converted generator, but it is an LG Smart inverted. Let's see if we can get it. Yeah, a few dents. There's a dent here. Pretty good sized dent there, and then there's a couple dings in the door. But I picked them both up. There's all the drawers and stuff are out because there was food in it when the camper laid down on its side. But I haven't decided if I'm going to put it in yet or not. But I may end up doing that. Go back to the camper a minute. But yeah, I've been looking for a shower for it for a while. We're gonna hope and pray we can get this in, and then we'll have a almost completed camper, minus the outside and a few things to do inside. But I will get back with you after I get some work done here. Got to do a little bit of changes. I'm hoping not to do too much in the bathroom, but there's a piece of paneling on this wall that may end up coming out and being replaced because I don't need that hole there no more. That's where the old faucet was, and this faucet's in the corner instead. But we'll get back to it very shortly, and hope to get this thing in place. Even the drain was put in a different spot. Luckily, I didn't drill a hole for the drain yet. But I hope to get this back in place soon and get the camper going along. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a little update here. I got a nice corner shower and paid about the same amount for both the refrigerator and the shower than the cheapest corner shower I could find. But I'll get back with you when I get moving along on it again. Update on the fridge. I went to the LG Smart inverted fridge. Yes, it's got some dents. This fridge did come out of a 2019 Arctic Wolf fifth wheel. That wasn't used very many times, so there's not very many hours on the fridge. And it's I can run it on a inverter and it won't bother it if I go off the grid camping. There's the top. I got the shelves and stuff. There's the main part. Here's what I had to do to make this. This fridge stands about 68 3/4 inches tall. The original fridge was like 50 some inches tall. I actually lowered the fridge. If you see, there's a black mark up there. I actually lowered the fridge by lowering the fridge. I actually ended up going down, and the fridge ain't all the way back. going down, and I lowered the floor of the fridge, or the base that it sits on, closer to the furnace. I actually got the furnace on. I actually ended up taking all this out. Can't see in there, but I ended up taking all the shelves out, and I had to fix this a little bit. For some reason, the measurements didn't come out correct, and the fridge didn't look very square, and it was a hair bit off, like a quarter of an inch. Not a big deal, but it didn't look right. The top piece of paneling ain't in yet, or the top board. Gotta figure out what I'm gonna do about the gap on each side. That I haven't figured out yet, but not no big deal. I can figure it out. Figured this much out. If you've seen pictures of this camper before, or videos, then you would know that it got toasted. But yeah, this is just a little update on the what I did to the refrigerator. I actually wanted to put it in place so I could figure out where my top board goes now, so I can put the top panel back in. Here's the shelves. Here's some of the shelves for it, and I got the other shelves for it. But I'll see you in the next part of this video on some more updates. Here's a very short clip of the fire camper rebuild on what I've done. Here's things that you can actually see now. This is the next day. That piece of paneling got glued in last night. The shelves are glued in place. That's a new sheet of plywood. That's actually a 3/4 inch piece of plywood that goes underneath the fridge. This piece of wood here is going to actually go up here. That piece of paneling just got glued back in. But that board's going to go up there after it's painted. And then this board over here, there's a longer board here that will be cut down, ripped down, and it'll actually go next to the fridge, and it will actually be painted, but it will be screwed in place, so if I need to take the fridge out or replace the fridge or do something with wiring, I can access it and be able to take the fridge out easier. But this is just a short clip. I am gonna do the wiring for the hot water heater, because as I said in previous videos, the hot water heater is 115 volts and or gas, and I gotta run the 115 volts to that still. But this is just a short clip of what I've done on the fire camper rebuild. Just doing a little bit of upgrades, putting a bigger, I think it's 11.1 cubic inch fridge compared to the smaller one, which the height difference is one was 68 inches or so tall, and the other one is like 58 inches, so it's a little tall. This fridge is taller. But yeah, this is just a short update. I will get back with you when I get to get some more things done. Here's a little bit of a peek of what I'm doing. I'm replacing the paneling that was behind the TV. I just wanted to give you a little bit of a peek here. Don't want to reveal too much. But I'm replacing that piece of paneling. Ended up running the antenna wire for the radio while I was at it. But just wanted to give you a little peek. Just a little update on the wall. I replaced the paneling. No more big hole. Moved the outlet. I'm actually taking I actually took the big shelf there that had storage space up above, and then I had a shelf on top, and I actually shortened it down due to flat screen TVs. I didn't like having the big hole there and not have a big enough TV. Excuse me. It's nighttime. I'm actually getting ready to call it a night. So it was basically empty space with like 32-inch TV. So I'm actually gonna hang a flat screen on the wall. Hang a flat screen on the wall. I actually ended up taking out the two cupboards on top. Due to this camper has a ton of storage, and I still have my storage down below. And there's a shelf there that DVD player or something will go in there or whatever. I don't know yet. But yeah, I just wanted to. This was the shelf that was on the top. I ain't even taken the sticker off yet. But I just wanted to give you an update on what I've been doing. I'll catch back with you tomorrow. When I get the stand done or get something done. But have a good evening. Just an update. Got that stand done. TV will be on a flat screen TV will go on there instead. Sorry about the mess. Got the countertop to still silicone. I gotta still put silicone around the cracks of the countertop. Got the shower surround glued in place. I just did that this evening. Tomorrow I will actually go around and do all the clear silicone caulking on it. Put water in the main tank. Got the water running. Got the shower hoses ran. It's all hooked up. Gotta do the drain. I'll probably do that tomorrow. But just wanted to give you a short update. Doing some work in the camper. Here's a little bit of what I'm doing. Sorry about the mess. Cutting out the hole for the window that I took out of the parts camper. Fire escape window. There's the frame itself. There's the window. Bigger than the other windows, but it'll work. Never had a fire escape window in here, and figured I'd better put one in just to be on the safe side. And there was no window on the if you're standing in the camper, it'd be the left-hand side up in the front by where the shower and the stuff goes. Well, this is a little bit further down, but basically in that general location. But I will get back with you when I get some more done. Here's an update on the fire escape window I put in. The original one got damaged during the fire, and I never had a window on that side. This is the left side if you're looking towards the front of the camper. But never had a window put in it. There is one on the other side, but never one on this side. So I put one in it. Just got the glass on this window. This window was taken out of the parts camper, and the glass was broken. I just got it back from the glass shop. They cut me a piece of glass, and then I put it in there myself. But yeah, just wanted to give you an update. Here's the ending of this part of the video. I haven't got the curtain up yet. But if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment. Got some more stuff in that I got to do. I got a lot of finishing work to do, but it's coming along. But if you like, share, subscribe, comment, thank you for watching. Have a good evening, good day.